it's awesome that we've put together a team like we have now with all the talent and the work ethic that everybody has here. It's really special to have something at such a school like this, a small school where you can build something that talented or that dedicated to a goal that you want to achieve.
You know, similar to AJ, I think if we can get Mitchell using everything he has, you know, he's good in so many positions, and just keep his weight focused. You know, he's focused on, you know, his diet. The sky's the limit. He's got a major hurdle out there and a 3-time national champion. I see no reason why he can't win. I think he can win. He thinks he can win. So now we just have to get to game day, you know, in March and perform. So
I think just focusing on the moment right now instead of looking ahead to stuff down the road. I mean, it's a long season, and I think last year I kind of looked ahead a little bit and didn't really focus on what was going on at the moment.